ASC motorcycle display team Tornadoes, on the occasion of 262 ASC Corps Day and 11th ASC reunion, have increased their tally of 32 world records and added 3 new world records to their list. ASC Tornadoes team captain Abhijit Singh Grewal created a world record of 114 km in 3 hours 29 minutes for longest continuous ride standing on the seat of a motorcycle and broke the Guinness World Record of 41.8 km held by Hardan al-Delaimi from Iraq and the 75.2 km record held by Army Signals motorcycle team Daredevils. Havildar Rishikesh Yadav created a new record of 356 km in 9 hours 17 minutes for longest motorcycle ride while sitting on tail light and broke the earlier record of 111 km held by Army Corps of Signals team Daredevils. Havildar Manish created a new record of longest wheeling on Royal Enfield 350cc covering a distance of 2.4 km. The attempts were conducted as per the guidelines of the FWG certifying agencies: Guinness Book of World Records, Limca Book of Records, International Book of Records. This extraordinary feat was attempted on 4th December 2022 at ASC Centre, South Bangalore and Nice Road, Bengaluru.